What if your spouse disappears off of the face of the earth and you do not know where to find them? You're not connected to anyone that's related to them. How do you go about getting a divorce in this situation? Hi, my name is Sophia Bryan. I'm the principal attorney at the Law Boss Firm, a law firm based in Kingston, Jamaica that helps Jamaicans who are in the diaspora build and preserve their legacy through estate planning and real estate. So I've had this question come up so many times. This is something that comes up in a lot of my requests for consultations. Miss Brown, law boss, I do not know where to find this individual. We got married, we were in love. They came to the US and they simply just disappeared. Or they left the house one day and I just haven't heard from them in a number of years. This situation is a lot more common than you think. And so, for the persons who are going through this type of situation and you are wondering whether or not you're going to get any kind of closure, you might not get any. But kudos to you for getting to the point where you have accepted that you may not be getting closure and it's time for you to move on with your life, especially because there are estate related implications for you continuing to remain married to this individual. Now, if you're a Jamaican living overseas and you want to get divorced, as long as you are a Jamaican citizen, as long as one of the two persons are known to be domiciled in Jamaica, or you have Jamaican citizenship, or you may live in Jamaica, or the person you are married to lives in Jamaica and or has Jamaican citizenship, you can get your divorce in the Jamaican courts. So what do you do if you don't know where to find this person? So fortunately, in Jamaica, we have a no-fault system, which means that you don't need to prove anything outside of the legal requirements for getting your divorce. And the bare minimum is that you've been married for over a year and you have been separated rather, for at least a year, right? And you can pursue your divorce once you meet the citizenship and or domicile requirements. Now, personal service, as you can imagine, is a requirement to get a divorce. No, the individual doesn't have to sign any papers. Once they are served in person, you can absolutely prove service, and the matter can proceed. But what if you don't know where to find them, which is the issue that you're having, right? What we would do as your attorneys, we would go ahead and do research to see, okay, who are the persons connected to this individual? Where were they last seen? Is there anybody that could accept service on their behalf? Is there any family member? There are a myriad of things that we would contemplate, but that would be based on your particular situation. So if the person has fallen off of the face of the earth, and you don't know where to find them, but you absolutely need to get your divorce, there are means and ways of getting it once we follow the proper protocol established by the courts of Jamaica. Now, what if you suspect that the person may have passed away and the family members haven't notified you? Well, there is a high requirement to demonstrate that an individual has passed away. And of course, there are estate related issues where that's concerned. So if you don't have solid proof that the person is not alive, then you cannot put that as your basis for not serving them personally, right? So if you want a divorce, you can get a divorce. You don't need to verify whether or not the person is among the land of the living. We are just going to determine based on your particular situation, what you share with us in the consultation, what the best strategy is to circumvent personal service. Go to the link in my bio. You will see the contact information. Or you can go to thelawbossfirm.com. That's thelawbossfirm.com. And you can complete the query form there and share your contact details. And or of course you can call us directly. The receptionist will take your call between business hours, and you can be connected to myself or one of the attorneys at the office. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to speaking with you in the very near future.